you're gonna be nervous. And so I am a little nervous. I have no idea what's going on, so we're gonna go outside and investigate.
Am I ready?
Are you ready to take us out of here?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, because it looks pretty tight to get out of this spot, and then the road's got potholes.
You can do this. There ain't nothing magical about me, so you can do it.
Maybe the day will be better.
You ready to go down the interstate?
Yeah.
But you're not driving?
No.
Okay.
All right, y'all. One thing we didn't mention is we're going to an RV park for 2 nights so we can scout out.
Yep.
And they don't have really any RV parks to choose from. Maybe one, and then in a town south, another one.
And I think that they were both full, right?
Yeah, the other one was.
The other one was, yeah.
It looked a little better than the one we're going to, but she said, for some reason, we're full this weekend. We're like, great. So we wound up with the other one that gets horrible reviews, but they both got bad reviews. And this one we're going in is one where you share your campsite.
And just wait till you see how small the campsite is. We try to have peace through our faith, and that's true. But sometimes our humanity kind of steps in and takes over and says, you're going to be nervous. And so I am a little nervous. I don't mind telling you. It's just going to be really super tight. But I'm really hoping that as long as we have nice neighbors, they won't have their awning stretched out to our front door. And I'm not joking, but it's an experience. We'll bring you all along for the ride. You don't have to do the driving, so you ought to have a good time.
Do y'all want to hear a funny story at Matthew's expense?
Oh, goody. I can't wait to hear this one.
So we haven't gotten gas in a while. We get gas for our gas can that operates our generator because we have a diesel truck. So we pull into the gas station and Matthew's getting gas. They have 3. Regular, premium, and super. And I noticed the price was really expensive. And Matthew's like, yeah, I got it for like $4.79. I'm like, it should have been $4.19. Why was it $4.79? Oh, I pushed premium.
I haven't bought gasoline in such a long time, or I very rarely get it. I used to think that 87 octane was the lowest, but no, it's 85 octane, and I wasn't even paying attention to it. Yeah, it was a different color and everything, but I didn't know. And the sun was in my eyes, and that's my excuse.
Oh, the sun was in his eyes, y'all.
It was.
So
I don't make the sun.
So our generator better be in excellent running condition when we run it again, because it's going to have premium gasoline. All right, y'all, we're stopped. We have no idea what's going on.
And we don't know. This is pretty unknown because they have orange cones up, so I'm not quite sure what to do.
Oh, he is going to let us go this way. Okay. I wonder what happened. And it's right at the entrance of Craters of the Moon, y'all, so...
Oh, this is a medical emergency. These people just happen to be working on the shoulder. That's not part of this.
Right. Oh. It's a motorcycle crash. I don't know if they ran into the SUV or if the SUV pulled out in front of them and they hit it.
But I know motorcycle accidents can be very brutal. I really do pray that that person's okay. I don't know what happened. I don't know who pulled out in front of who, but I want everybody to be okay.
You're getting close to that pole. All right, you passed it. Alright, y'all, so this is our campsite that we share with our neighbors. There's their stairs, here's our stairs. And then right in front is the tiny homes. And then here is our hookups. Here's our sewer, our neighbor's power. our power, our water, their water. And supposedly this is our picnic table too. Good morning, y'all.
Morning.
So today is moving day and we're leaving this.
Tiny place.
Yeah, we're still trying to figure out, are we going forward or backwards? Everybody's like backed out. Some people even pull in the wrong way. They're willing to have their campsite on this sewer hookup side to prevent these tiny homes that they got in here, y'all.
Because on one side is empty space, on the other side are tiny homes. But we'll have to see.
So crammed in here. So anyways, we're going to the boondocking spot. And we have not showed you this one, but we'll show you when we get there. We hope that it's still empty and it's big enough because we might have some friends joining us.
The BDR crew may be getting bigger.
Yeah, we'll see. We're hoping we might have 2 other couples joining us, so we'll see. And it seems like there's plenty of room there for everybody to have their own space.
But it's always a gamble with boondocking spots because, you know, your name's not on it. So that's why we're always a little bit nervous, but the payoff is usually worth it.
Yes. So you ready to get hitched up?
We really should get going.
All right, we'll see y'all at our boondocking spot. Y'all, it's even a tight squeeze to get hooked back up. And he's gonna have to do like a 1,000,000-point turn. We still haven't decided if we're going forward or backwards. There's trees behind us and tiny houses in front of us. Yay, successfully got us hitched up in a tight space.
Yay.
Are you ready?
As ready as I'll ever be. I'm praying, and let's just go.
Am I ready? I'm nervous, y'all, and I'm not driving.
All right, let's get on.
All right.
Let's get it. Y'all, that totally did not go the way I thought it would go. Here was the plan. I was going to back straight up, and then I was going to wiggle to the middle, so I had equal distance on left and right, because I had a power pole on my left side, the driver's side, and I had a picnic table on my right side, passenger side. So I was going to back up at an angle, and it was going to be a big, horrific thing. But she kept telling me to come back. And I'm like, well, I'm passing the power pole. Why not just go for it? So we went for it, and we almost had to jackknife it. That's why it's important that you don't have the wrong hitch for the wrong truck. This is a short bed. If we didn't have a sliding hitch, there's no way that would have worked, ever.
So,
Thank God.
They had wispy branches. Now, the wispy branches started to touch the ladder. I could have pushed him back into it a little more because he maybe one more foot. But he was able to do the 100-point turn or whatever, and we got out of here. We ain't coming back.
Thank the Lord that worked. I did not know that would work. That was never the plan.
If they expand and build better sites and we can see from satellite, we might come back. But if they keep it like this, not coming back.
No, I have a no tight RV park policy from now on. We both do.
All right, y'all, look at this view. And this campsite looks big enough for all 3. Unfortunately, we're the first ones here, so we're gonna try to take this spot right here, have room for our friends right there, and then we have more friends coming in on this side. But look at those pine trees behind the reflection. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you our campsite here at Silver Creek in Ketchum, Idaho. This is our campsite. We're expecting friends, so they're probably going to be on this side of us. Well, we're expecting 2 sets of friends. Here's our patio rug. Matthew's going to set out the black stone. We're also going to put like a fire pit over here. When I go over to the other side, I'll show you. There's already a makeshift fire pit, and we're going to take that down and clean it up because people left trash in it, y'all. Fire pits are not for trash. See, we have to clean that up. And look at this side. There's a truck. We're saving this space for our other friends. So we just parked right in the middle. The only thing that works out here, y'all, is Starlink. There's no cell coverage. We checked AT&T, T-Mobile. No cell coverage. This is what we get to see out the back. That is Highway 75. Not the best to be by a highway, but look at the front, y'all. This is amazing. And there's a creek behind those bushes. And there's a path down there to it. So it's amazing. We get to set out here, hopefully have our little campfire right here. And listen to the creek. You can hear it. Y'all, I'm on the roof of the RV and there's the creek. Told you I would show y'all the creek. We're gonna try to walk down there later. Look at the mountains. And here is our sight from the rooftop of our RV. All right, y'all, we're out exploring our backyard and I told y'all that I would show y'all something.
Y'all, this is amazing.
Here it is, the creek. This is what's running behind.
Show them to the left.
And then tent campers can come in here and put a tent, and they have a little fire ring down there.
Or bears.
But this is what runs behind our RV. It reminds me of the Smoky Mountains, which has tons of creeks.
And this is fast moving, which is why we can stand out here and not get eaten by bugs. It's great.
And this is Idaho, y'all. Can you believe this is Idaho? Let's go walk across the bridge. Ooh, look at those views.
Oh my. Picture time.
I thought we were walking across the bridge.
Hey, photographer of the year stuff here. Don't get involved. Just stay a safe distance away.
All right, y'all. Photographer of the year gave us permission now.
It's okay. It's safe.
Yo, look how clear this water is. This is amazing. Idaho. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at this side with that in the background, and the fall colors are starting to come in.
Tell me you've ever seen anything like this before. This is amazing.
Oh wow, this is so pretty. And look how all the bushes already change in the fall colors, like
They really are.
the golden colors. Oh, why do you have your bear spray on?
I actually got to speak with a ranger. He was nice enough to stop by and asked if we were aware of all their policies and stuff, but he was so friendly. He was like a tour guide. Honestly, that was his demeanor. So wonderful. So anyways, I asked him about bear activity, and he said they have some black bears in the area. They're not acclimated to people. They're not going to go after you because black bears are more of a nuisance than anything. They'll go through your trash, they'll go through your vehicle, they'll go through your house if they smell a bunch of nice food. So he said be bear aware, lock everything up, you know, the whole 9 yards. So I carry bear spray.
Bam.
Even though black bears are not likely to attack a person, but it's a bear. It's got bigger claws than I do, it's bigger than I am, they weigh a lot, and they got a tiny little brain. So bear spray.
Bears have tiny brains.
Fine, even if they have a big brain. You can't have a conversation with it. I can't reason with it. I can't say, all right, you go that way, I'll go this way. Bear spray.
Look at these fall colors.
Look at this. It's like a corridor of orange. Who needs trees that change colors when you have this?
All right, y'all. Our friend showed up. It's a Good Life RV. That's their YouTube channel, Dora and Ed. And they're just getting set up and situated. It wasn't supposed to rain today, and now the clouds are here. It's raining, and we have solar, so I see a bunch of generators in our future. We'll let them get set up.
But we don't even know what you're going to see anymore.
you never prepare for a situation like this. It's
No.
just horrid, and you just feel sick about it.
I said, can't you trace my phone? And they said no.
It is a nightmare.
Yeah.
It's just worst case scenario.